Alright, the Western Digital 2 terabyte purple drive, that's how it should arrive. The drive should always be sent in this hard drive packaging. People who send you drive with the bubble wrap in bubble envelope, stuff like that, this is not acceptable. This is the only way to ship hard drive in this hard drive compatible packaging. So that's how I receive it. It's all sealed up with this warning sticker for static electricity. Of course, when manipulating electronic, you have to be careful about that. So when you open it, that's how it is in the box. This Western Digital purple drive, properly packed as it should be. And of course, now we are going to check if it's really new, because some seller out there will sell you repacked drive. So one way, very easy to check if it's new, it's the plastic here, the anti-static bag. See, it has some notch here and notch here where you can tear off this bag to open it and remove the drive that got repacked. Usually people already open this and they reseal it over here, so you don't have to use notch anymore. So that's one of the clues that tells you that the drive has been repacked, and then the drive you are getting is not new, and it's probably have been deleted and reformatted. And then, you know, they do have some tool out there to delete all the data from the drive, including the smart data. So when you power up the drive, it looks like it's new, but in fact it's completely used. For example, from this seller we received a hard drive that was sold as new. He did use this box, which is the official box to ship hard drive, so that's good. Sometimes they don't even bother, they use bubble wrap. And it looks like new at the first sight, but when you look closely, see, it put the drive back in the anti-static bag and everything, but look closely and you can see that this bag has been resealed, as you see here. So he just puts the used drive back in the anti-static bag and reseal the bag. It does not have the notches on the side, as I showed you before, and this drive is sold pretending to be a new one. And when you check the drive, of course, the warranty don't match, and also the smart data don't match as well. But sometimes they are a little bit smart, those sellers. They even manage to delete the smart data and make the drive look like new. But here you go, is your main first clue when you receive the drive that the drive is not new. It's this bag that has been resealed. So this will be returned right away. So be careful with that. Plastic is not open, it's not being resealed. I'm going to open it now. Up. And also the second way you can see if it's properly packed, it's this item. I put the drive there. This is a little bag that avoids humidity inside your anti-static bag, and this should be also included in the packaging. Often when they repack the drive, they forgot about this little bag. So that's another sign to show you that the drive you are getting is not new. Alright, here also we can check if there is any mark on the drive. If it has been installed already on the rack or on the computer or something, you will see some scratch and mark on it. So it's completely new. And then of course the last thing you can do to check if it's genuine is to check the serial number on the Western Digital website, and the website will tell you if the hard drive is under warranty, which means of course that it's new. You may want to check this serial number on the Western Digital website to double check yourself. But here you go guys, that's the nice Western Digital 2 terabyte drive purple for surveillance video. Very good with CCTV DVR, for example, or everything video related. Those drives are built to run 24 hours under very heavy load all the time, so that's perfect for this kind of job. Alright, so I hope this video has been useful for you, and next time you order a drive on Amazon, that you know what you are getting when you receive one. Alright. Thanks again for watching, and be careful about what you are buying online.